If you want to learn what are the important things to keep in mind while selecting keywords, then this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to MAKblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from MAKblogs, and in today's lecture we are going to learn a crucial aspect of SEO, and that is what are the important things to keep in mind while selecting keywords. Proper keyword selection is the cornerstone of effective SEO content writing, and understanding these key factors can make all the difference. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full MAKblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. First, we have niche relevancy. The first and foremost consideration when selecting keywords is niche relevancy. Your keywords must directly relate to the niche you are targeting. Niche relevancy is crucial for attracting the right audience. It ensures your content aligns with their interests and expectations, increasing engagement and value. For example, if your niche is healthy eating, your keywords should revolve around this niche, such as balanced nutrition or nutrition-rich diet. Next, we have long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are longer, more specific keyword phrases. They allow you to target a more specific audience with higher intent. They often have less competition, making it easier to rank for in search results. For example, instead of targeting digital cameras, you might opt for best affordable digital cameras for beginners, right? Next, we have high searches. While it's essential to be relevant, it's equally crucial to select keywords with a reasonable search volume. When selecting keywords, aim for those with at least 1,000 average monthly searches. Targeting keywords with substantial search volume ensures your content reaches a broader audience. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner tool can help you identify keywords with substantial search volume. For example, if you focus on a keyword with only 100 monthly searches, your potential audience is limited compared to a keyword with 1,000 or more searches. It's crucial to prioritize keywords that offer a higher reach. Got it? Next, we have keyword competition. To improve your chances of ranking well, choose keywords with low competition. Highly competitive keywords can be challenging to rank for, especially if your website is new. Rest assured, we will demonstrate these concepts practically in our upcoming lessons, making it easier for you to implement them effectively. So don't you worry. For example, if you have a website dedicated to fitness, you might struggle to compete with well-established fitness blogs. In this case, consider targeting keywords like home workouts. For a beginner, you may have lower competition and provide a better opportunity to rank. Next, we have the all-in-title trick. This one is very important. The all-in-title trick is like a special tool in Google search. It helps you see how many pages in Google have the keyword in their title, right? This can give you an idea of how many other websites are competing for the same keyword. And remember, it's often a good idea to choose keywords with an all-in title count of less than 8. Got it? This means there is less competition and is increase your chances of ranking higher in search results. For example, if you type all in title colon space what is the typewriter font called in graphic design, right? It will show you how many pages specifically have that keyword in their title. In conclusion, we can say that when choosing keywords for your SEO content, remember to prioritize relevancy, consider long tail options, target keywords with reasonable search volume, and assess competition using tools. And the last one is all in title attribute. The ideal keyword should align with all these factors, ensuring you are on the right track to create content that will perform well in search engine rankings. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will explore advanced technique for optimizing your content using the right keywords. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining lecture 19 where we explored what are the important things to keep in mind while selecting keywords. If you are seeking exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing, and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.